Well, get on. You're gonna go riding. What about Fido? You're gonna go say hi to Fido? No. Louisa? Louisa, are you gonna come and walk to me? Oh, go, 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 go. Come on. You gonna come and see me? Are you gonna ride your bike? Perfect.
The third is only today. I should have another packet.
Hey, Louisa, you gonna come and see me? Ready? Go, go, go. Come on then.
Are you gonna push your bike to mommy?
Are you gonna just do it?
Hmm?
Here she goes. What a big girl.
There now. You're so clever, aren't you? Hmm? I love the arm.
I know. That's what I'm trying to get on.
Turn it round then and push it to mommy. That's a clever girl. There you go. Oh, you've crashed it again.
Dear me.
Pull it backwards. Pull it back. Go on, pull it back again. That's it. Here you are. Wow, that's a long way.
Come to say hi to Fido.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Well, I'm sure you can do that.
Oh, how old school, Louisa. Hey, Louisa.
Ah, there now. That's why.
You gonna say bye-bye?
No.
No? Oh, right. Oh, is that so? Can you say Louisa? Oh, careful. Ooh, almost got away from you.
No wonder I can't find them. I'm reading that right, aren't I? 2 times 28 tablets issued on the 7th of the 2nd. And that's the 7th of the 2nd, 1 of 1.
Oh, well, there you go. You didn't
So
fill the
only
whole...
given me 1, so
Yeah.
no wonder I haven't got any left.
Well, but you can take that same prescription and now and use it
I'll
again.
take it back. And just, I nearly threw the box away, you see, and then I thought, well, where's the other? I should have another box.
Hello! Okay, hey, should we say bye-bye? Come on, can you quickly say bye-bye while I've got you so close?
I've got to go and pick the other ones up anyway.
Mm-hmm. Are you going to say bye-bye to everybody?
That's a clever girl. Are you going to push the bike? Hmm?
All right, bye-bye, folks.
Oh,
Louisa?
Pip your horn.
Hey, Louisa, say bye-bye. Oh, poor Fido. Did you just crash right?
Bye.
Did you crash right into your buddy? Hey, you gonna say bye-bye? Did you find something musical? Hey, psst. Little mamas. Can we say bye-bye? So we do ring around the rosy? Okay, bye-bye, mamas. Bye-bye. You don't like that, do you?
No.
Why? He's just a blue guy. He's not mean.
No.
Not yet. Not yet. Or the cute little doggy next to her on the other side that barks. She doesn't care for him at all. Okay, little one. Louisa. Okay. Bye-bye, folks.